Hello, everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creations. My name is Roxana, and I am so happy to be here. Today, we are making another beautiful spring wreath. So, with that said, let's get this started. We are working with some magnolians, some geraniums. We got these beautiful violety and white florals. We also got these little like dandelions. We got this lotus pod. And we got some spectacular greenery. We got a 74-inch ribbon. We also got a 45-inch ribbon. We got our scissors. We got our wire cutters. So with that said, let's get started. Okay. We are going to introduce again to our loops. We're going to get some beautiful loops up here. Once again, make it right there. Twist it and turn it right there. Got that right here. Let's pin this on. Ay, 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 man. Okay, let's pin this on. Right here. Just twist it with another one. But there we go. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to go down a little bit right here. Just a little bit right here. Then we're going to make two more. Two more of these beauties. The little tail, little hang right here. Go one. Then go two again. It's going to be a tight one, but we got it. Then look at that one. Okay, let's get one of these closer. And then just pin that on and bam, look at that. Okay, we got two beautiful ribbons going on right here. Yes, indeed. Okay, now let's get some floor. Oh, we got our other ribbon. Slow down, Mama. I just get so excited to just be here. I want to show you guys the beautiful wreath that I am making. Okay, this is going to be another one with some loops. Here we go again. We're going to put this one on the bottom. Turn it. Get this one right here. Yeah, look at that. We'll get this one right here on the bottom. I think I'm going to make this a little bolder. Okay, let's get this whole. This one is like 12. Yeah, 12. And we're just going to get that here. Put this way. And there it is. Let some hang. Or we could just make a double one. No, let's just let it hang. We're going to put this in here like that. There we go. Put this one over here. Just that one little loop. I just let it hang on. Put it right here and just insert it right here. Like that. Let's see. See how I got it? Just turn it, just pin it down. Let's let it hang. No loops, nothing. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's get these florals on. I mean, hey. The greenery. There we go. Let's get these greeneries going. How easy is that, everybody? Look at that. I always want to ask a question, everybody, if you want to answer. Do you guys like working with the wire wreath, or do you like the other one with all the, what do you call it? Pipe cleaners. That's just a question I want to ask. I love to work with this wreath. This wreath better. But yeah, I will try a video with one of those someday. Till then, I love my wreath. Here, we're going to put, okay, let's get some up in here. Look at this beautiful greenery. You just pull some down and make it look like it has more on there. Get the wire and down there. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Now we're going to get more. Get this. Cut that. And get this little piece to make it long. The neat part, you could just move the, what do you call it, the branches on the greenery. There we go. Okay, we got one more, everybody. Where are we going to put this? Let me see. Let's put some right here, huh? Get some greenery in here. Like always, you got to balance your items out. Okay, we got that there. Woo! Okay, let's get down with the florals. Puff these up. And okay, we got to get the beauties going on. Let's dump this out. Bam. Let's get this beautiful draining. I'm going to get that guy down in here. Get this in here like that. Damn. Wow. Okay, we got that going. We're going to get another drainage up here. Like I said, balance our items out. Put some in here. Put some up in here. There we go. Like that. Wow, look at that. Turn this a little bit so you see. And we're going to get our big ol' eucalyptic there. And our lotus. I mean eucalyptic. Our magnolian. There, look at that. Wow. Different, huh? Let me scoot you over a little more. Next to there. This beauty in there. Wow, how beautiful, huh? Let's get this magnolian right there. And I think we're going to get a little bit purple going on in here. Look at that, everybody. Wow, just a couple flowers. Now watch what these beauties are just going to just take this to a different element. How do you say that? Just going to take this and just liven it up so much. Watch. Look at this, the beautiful colors. Look at that. Wow. That, another one. Always go wild with your flower rolls. But balance them out. We're going to get one right here. Yeah, we're going to get another white one right here. Yeah, we're going to get another one right here. Bam. Wow. How's it looking, everybody? Let me see. Ooh. Okay, we got one more of these white ones. I think we're going to get it right here. And let's puff these up. And I think we're almost got, look how easy it was, everybody. Just a couple greeneries and some beautiful spring colors, florals. And let's get this on right here. And I think we got this, everybody. Yes, indeed. I think we got this. Look at that. Okay, now let me pin this up. That's in there. Let's see what we got going. Wow. Whoa. Like I say, you can glue your items in. Look at that. Okay. Fix it, adjust the camera for everybody. Look at that. Ooh. How beautiful. Look at that. Let's work with your colors and florals. Got everything going on. Look at that. Different items. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Okay, once again, everybody, if you enjoyed my video or got some kind of inspiration, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. You'll also be helping out my channel grow, which you guys already are. Much thanks. Once again, have a great day and get that smile. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, we got some springs going on again. Spring is in the air. Thank you for watching my video.